I did actually start my real work career with the Walt Disney Company. Spent a little over a decade with them in their operations resorts area. My claim to fame is the design and operation of Chef Mickey's, which is a character dining destination. Some of you might be aware of that one. It only does $80 million a year, so
That's
you
all.
know it's nothing.
Small money.
I am living proof that you can leave the Disney company and not crawl up into a fetal position and die off. We can be successful. Had a couple other hospitality jobs. I was director of food service for the Smithsonian Museum System, NASA, and a few others. Along the way, I found out I make a really lousy employee. I just don't like to be told what to do. Hence my two ex-wives, probably the reason as well for that. So after getting fired a second time, I used to joke about or be leery about talking about that, but now it's who I am, and it was a long time ago, so I don't care. So anyway, so lousy employee me. I said, okay, we got to do something. So I did what every small child dreams of doing, and I opened a carpet cleaning business. And I took all of my Disney knowledge, though, of customer experience, customer service, retention, operations, and I put it into that business. And we, from the get-go, we're targeting a affluent audience. So, I didn't want to be cleaning rentals or Section 8 housing or any of that. We're going for the, $1 to $10 million homes, in our area. So, I mean, that's instructive in itself. You really have to have your avatar dialed in. Grew that. Along the way, I added a Oriental rug washing business and a mold remediation company. About 7 years ago, was able to put those on autopilot with all of the systems and processes I had. And so I hired a general manager, put him in charge. And now I spend about 90 minutes a week on those businesses. Pretty much cash and checks, kissing babies, that kind of thing. And that gives me the free time to do what I really enjoy doing, which is consulting and coaching with other business owners on how to create these extraordinary experiences that will lead into customer retention, or what I call raving fans for life. So if you don't nail the experience, you really don't have a prayer in the retention piece. So but yeah, so been doing this now since 20 home service businesses since '07, and coaching and consulting since 2013. So here I am.